Okay guys, we just finished our YouTube session with Kadok, and would you introduce yourself?
Thomas.
And his
My
YouTube
channel is Gempak OKU.
Gempak space OKU. Alright?
All about OKU boleh, huh?
Subscribe. This guy is inspirational. Okay, can you tell everybody what do you do?
I'm a DJ at night. I also drive Grab. That's about it lah.
And you do YouTube.
I do YouTube.
Do you talk to your Grab passengers?
Yes, most of the time.
Nice. And then
I'm planning to advertise my own car, also my channel and all that.
Oh.
Thinking of doing that as well.
Okay, guys, as you mentioned, as you can see, it takes him more effort than the others to come today. All right. I want to know, how do you drive a car?
Auto.
Like your right leg is the one that's.
I use my left leg to familiarize.
Yep.
They wanted me to use. They wanted to change the pedal and the brakes right to left. I said don't.
Don't need.
Because it's more dangerous. If an emergency I need to drive someone else's car, it's more dangerous.
Exactly. Exactly.
So I said no. I'll train my left leg because my brain already knows left and right, right?
Yeah.
So I just have to train my left leg to go left and right.
Were you born with it or something happened?
I had an accident, bad accident.
When? What year was that?
Same time, person's died now.
1997.
Yep.
1997, Merdeka Day.
Yeah, driving, someone hit to me, my car overturned 5 times.
Damn.
So my whole kneecap came out. I didn't have kneecap.
Yep.
So I was, at that time they fused my leg, made it straight. So
Yep.
I was driving manual. I used to drive Volkswagen all the time.
Yeah.
And then 5 years ago I cut because of bone infection.
Oh, it was still attached back then.
Yeah, I decided to cut.
And it was 5 years ago.
5 years ago.
And do you have like a prosthetic to put on?
I do have, but I'm having problems with the prosthetic because it's more to suction and it's very hard to use.
Okay.
So maybe later on stage I might try another thing lah. So now I just travel like this. I even did
You are awesome.
I did a new latest video you all watched. John Phuket OKU boleh. Show them how I travel on a plane OKU and all that. So tiring, but something to show people that you can do it lah.
Guys, right? Don't ever give up. I mean, what kind of problem you have? I mean, can we compare, right? And
you have to add up.
So now you DJ. The day you drive Grab,
Yeah.
and then you do DJ,
Yeah.
and then afterward you drive Grab again.
Yeah.
Damn. And then you record videos and all
I
that.
do all these videos in between lah.
He is an inspiration, man. Inspiration.
Thank you.
So you this is your second time joining Kadok's.
This is my second time. I used to go to his classes just to support only lah, but this is my second time lah. Yeah.
Damn. Right. I learned a lot as well today because my style is that I'm very lazy or I'm just lazy.
We're supposed to meet up there. That was before the PS3 all and talk about. That time I was really frustrated because I really thought handicapped they weren't allowed to drive.
But
now
it's okay, right?
Now it's okay.
Oh.
Thanks to the new government lah.
Is there such a restriction?
Previously I tried to apply for taxi.
Yep.
Those days.
Yep.
JPJ straight away say okay you cannot at all.
Yeah. And have you thought about maybe get a license to sell insurance?
No, I never thought about it.
Right?
It's not easy lah to sell insurance.
No, the thing is, right, if you are spending time with someone in your car, right, you should talk to them, then you build a relationship, right? I think the worst sellers of insurance is they don't know you, they try to sell insurance to
maybe
you.
that's right lah. You hear insurance, you run away.
Yeah, but when you have friends, you know more and more people, you have a job that allows you to meet more and more people. I think that opens up your network.
Especially those who've been through an accident that they know, but that they really need it.
Yeah, right. Perhaps that would be something that would be interesting. So, yeah, guys, subscribe to his channel, Gempak space OKU. This guy is an inspiration, man. And don't ever give up.
Yeah, don't give up. OKU, nothing is impossible. That's my motto and my page, my YouTube channel.
Nothing is impossible.
OKU, nothing is impossible.
So you went Phuket. You drove there.
I went to Phuket. I flew.
You flew there. All right. So you can drive there technically.
If I rent a car, I can drive as long as it's auto. As long as it's auto.
Enduro.
Enduro. Hopefully one day I have a good car to go on the Enduro trip.
Come. All right, guys.
Okay.
So,
thank you. Thank you, bro. Good to see you. So happy.
Yeah, man. Inspiration.